Well, it's not making a noise now, because that fan makes this horrible grinding noise. To fix it, you either hit the back of the computer and maybe it'll fix itself, or you push. It is pretty dusty in there, and that's because this side of the room has a lot of dust up there. And so everything on this side of the room gets caked in dust, and it sucks, and I hate it. And today is Sunday, by the way. Hey guys, Jude here. I just wanted to record that noise, but I had stopped it before I recorded it, so I was like, well, oops. It's annoying, and it sucks, and I hope it's not that the thing is dying, but it's just, I was thinking maybe the blades, like the plastic part was coming off or something, and you have to put it back down, or I don't know. Another annoying thing is now I have to put the side panel back on and clean it, because every time I take it off, I get fingerprints on it. I think this is the first time I recorded the inside of my computer with the camera too, so that's interesting, I guess. Cleaning. Anyway, why did I turn the computer on anyway? To watch YouTube. I'm gonna hopefully edit vlog today. That's my idea, was I was gonna put that on, edit vlog. Oh yeah, we went back an hour today. That's the thing that happens for no reason. Actually, kind of a reason. It was annoying having the sun go down at like 6. Yeah, the time moved back, so we got an extra hour of sleep, and that's when I found out that the Apple Watch does not count that extra hour of sleep. So that's weird, but whatever. Actually, no, not even whatever. That's actually really fucking stupid. Why does it not do that? Anyway, I'm gonna go edit the vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, because I don't have anything else to say, and I'm gonna go try to do that. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.